Give me a list of 5 cats types.
I found this on the web.
Siri 2.0.
How can I help you?
Give me a list of 5 cat types.
One sec. One, Persian. 2, Maine Coon. 3, Bengal. 4, Siamese. 5, Ragdoll. What would you like to do next?
Respond.
What would you like to change?
Please give me some details on those cats.
One moment. Working on that. 1. Persian cats are known for their luxurious fur and flat faces. They are one of the oldest cat breeds and are known for being affectionate and gentle. 2. Maine Coon cats are large, fluffy cats that have a distinct look with their long, flowing coats. They are known to be friendly, outgoing, and intelligent. 3. Bengals are a hybrid breed of domestic cats crossed with Asian leopard cats. They have a unique spotted coat and are known to be very active and playful. 4. Siamese cats are known for their distinctive blue eyes and their slender, graceful bodies. They are known to be very vocal and intelligent. 5. Ragdolls are a medium-sized breed of cat known for their silky fur and gentle nature. They are known to be affectionate and loyal companions. What would you like to do next?
Respond.
What would you like to change?
Where can I buy a Persian cat?
One sec. You can buy a Persian cat from many pet stores, breeders, or online sites such as Kijiji or Pet Finder. Some shelters may also have Persian cats available for adoption. What would you like to do next?
Respond.
What would you like to change?
Please give me some web links for where I can buy a Persian cat.
On it. Petfinder https://www.petfinder.com/cat-breeds/Persian/ Kijiji https://www.kiji.ca/b-cats-K-kittens/Canada/Persian/K0C34L1700199, local shelters. Check your local animal shelters for Persian cats that may be available for adoption. What would you like to do next? Something went wrong. Please try again.